Hello, welcome to the next course, free course of from our Gurukul. It is going to be on the finding the right career. So, to find the right career, we need to find out which planet is very important in our horoscope. And horoscope is all about the quality of time at the time of your birth. So we need to find out which planet which was having that quality to find out which carrier will be appropriate. For that, it is not going to be an easy course. We need to do a bit of exercise. So there are 16 modules or even more through which I am going to teach you a traditional method to find out carrier. So there will be a lot of mathematical calculations. There will be some simple principles. All together, let us take this course forward and find out and also prove that with some few example charts that the profession of a person comes from what, from where and how it is coming from. It is a course which everybody should learn and implement and should give right prediction for their people who are coming to them. Because Jyotish Shastra is all about giving light to the people who are in need. And every human being who is coming in search of that quest of finding the light, you should be able to provide them. That is a basic and first objective of a astrologer. So today we will take up the topic of how to find a profession which is going to give you success. So let us go there. So today it is going to be our first session, first module, rather we call it as first module. And please take up your notebooks because since the course is going to be of multiple modules, if you can able to follow with a lot of notes, then it will be easy for you to take it forward and implement and see yourself the results. And that result after completing our module will be wonderful. Okay, so let us take the first module today. The first step is to find out the planets which are in the 10th house in your Rashi chart. That is the first step. And also to find out Graha Drishti. Graha Drishti means the Drishti of the planets. So let us understand the Drishti of planets with a small example, which all planets will be giving Drishti. So for that, you need to have a little bit of idea about Drishti. Drishti is a planetary aspect. So let us understand again the traditional principle only. We will not going to understand whatever it is not recommended. We are not going to take up. Sun is going to give the full aspect. We are talking about the complete full and Purna Drishti. Sun will give you the Purna Drishti in the 7th house. Moon will give the Purna Drishti in the 7th house. Mars will give the Drishti in 4th and the 8th, Purna Drishti. Mercury, 7th house, Purna Drishti. Jupiter, 5 and 9. Venus, 7th house. Saturn, 3rd and the 10th. And Rahu will be giving the Purna Drishti in the 2nd and 7th. So this is how the Graha Drishti we are going to see. So Ketu do not have any Drishti because of Moksha Karaka. So there is no Drishti there. Rest of all the planets we are going to talk about Purna Drishti. You can also take up the 75% Drishti also in case you are aware about it. Say for example, Rahu will give you the 75% Drishti on 5 and 9th houses also. So you can take up the 75%, but take up 100% for good results. Then you will not do mistakes. Because normally I have seen the people who are teaching astrology or maybe practicing it, they are not getting the consistency of results because maybe in one chart they are able to get a right profession, the second one they are getting collapsed. So we are now going to find out certain adherent principles which are taken from the traditional, which are actually proven. So we will never fail with that particular steps which we are going to follow. And Astro Vedic Solutions, our Facebook group, is one of the prominent quiz groups in astrology. And we have conducted more than 1,000 plus quizzes, I think. I think more than touching, we'll be nearing 1,500 in short span of time. So 1,500 quizzes we have conducted. And we had an experience of seeing the charts of more than 50,000 plus. So we had derived certain kind of a fundamental principles taken from the tradition. So these are all already there. What we have done is we have taken up the principles, refined it in such a way to get the beauty. We have beautified it actually to give the 16 modules or even more to find out and fine tune what could be the profession of the human being. And second, not only that, we are going to prove with a lot of charts. That also is going to be part of the module as well. So kindly enjoy this course. Take a part of it. Do subscribe our channel so that you are getting all the information related to this course. And some of the important modules will not be given to the non-subscribers. So do subscribe. And in case you are not subscribed, some of the important modules, I will not be in a position to share it. So kindly do subscribe, like it, and share as many number of people you want for looking for guidance. Okay. So guidance is very, very important topic, and these days that is very rare. Nobody is able to give you the correct light. So the main fundamental right for every human being is to get the light. If there is no light, where to go? So that is the basic principle we started this course. Okay. So we are going to see the Rashi chart, 10th house planet, if any. If it is blank, leave it. And see the Graha Drishtis as per the principle which I have given. You can take up 75% Drishti in case it is required, otherwise leave it. Only the Purna Drishti you take and see whether there is any Purna Drishti to the 10th house of the Rashi chart. And whichever planet which is coming, you write down the point number 1, the step number 1, which all planets have contributed to the profession. And what are we going to do? I will recommend you to do like this. You write down the steps in a column, okay? And you form that column 1. The column 1, you are writing down the steps. Steps is column 1. Step 2, what are we going to do? Okay, that you can write in step 2. Step 3, you write which are planets which are contributing. And step 4, if you want, you can able to make Sun to Ketu and give the number from there itself, so that when we are finishing the 16 module, you can able to find out which planet is contributing the maximum and number 1, which will give a final say on our profession finding techniques. Okay, so in this way, I recommend you to follow. And if any, in case if you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment box. And those who have prepared the sheet which I'm looking for, kindly share also, so that people can able to see. Okay, if anybody has understood what I am really mean it, because I need the column 1 for what all the steps we do. Column 2, you write what is the step which we are doing, and third is the planets which have contributed, and the fourth, you write the span of sun, moon, like that until Ketu, so that you can write down which one has contributed. Now at present you keep it blank, but this is the format. Okay, so keep watching our channel. If you are not subscribed yet, kindly subscribe. Keep following. Thank you very much.